So yeah, glad to say a few words. So thank you to all our speakers, greatly and attendees. Sincerely appreciate you guys accommodating the late evening and early morning schedules. It's been fantastic to see the diversity of instruments and payloads that people are thinking about, and the levels of development are also excellent. So it looks like a lot of great opportunity to do science on the moon, with Pressurized Rover playing a key role for many of the instruments presented. So we'll look forward to having everyone back next time. We can host this and hopefully tell you more about the Pressurized Rover and the collaboration and the partnership that continues to evolve and grow between NASA and JAXA. So, Dr. Inatomi, would you say any words?
Yeah, okay. So I want to say some remarks. So thank you very much for participating in this workshops. So yesterday had around 170 participants, and today we had around 110 participants, and it's going to end at a high note. So the various questions are we received regarding PR operation concept and the capabilities related relevant reveal that the scientists have a high level of interest and expectation regarding PR. So there's a lively discussion among the scientists about their respective missions. So over the course of the 2 days, I think that the presentation and discussion were in line with the aim of the workshop. So I would like to thank the audience, all the audience, presentators, and PR staff and NASA headquarters. Thank you very much.
Thanks, everybody. Have a good evening and morning.